What we've developed with our after-school program, Bush Inventors Club, is a space for children to have fun, a space for children to play, and most importantly, a space for children to connect with others, to connect with the environment, with nature, but most importantly, a space to connect with self.
I think Bush Inventors Club is very fun. I just feel like I can finally do whatever I wanted to. It's so awesome. Even you can make hammocks, rafts, even if you want to, you can climb trees.
My favourite thing to do is playing in the river and building rafts. You can do whatever you want with the resources, and there's 3 pillars: one respect to other people, and one for nature.